Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Keener with K2 Health Center. I'm here with a patient of ours who plays pickleball, and we're excited to share with you Jeanette's story. Jeanette, when you first started coming into the office, what was bothering you? What brought you in?
I had severe shoulder and neck pain as well as both knees had chronic pain.
Okay. And what was the pain keeping you from doing?
Playing pickleball and golfing and swimming and all the activities that I like to do.
And since you've been coming in, we've been doing treatments on the area, getting your shoulder and your neck healed up. What has your experience with the treatments been? What do the treatments feel like?
Very gentle. It's just been a pleasure coming here. I always look forward to it. You and Danny are always so welcoming, and the treatments are amazing. Feels great.
And now for the best part, since you've been coming in, what have the results been like for you in your life and on the pickleball court?
Well, I can pretty much do everything now. I don't walk like I'm 90 years old, and I can slam balls like I've never been able to before. So I'm killing it on the pickleball court, and I play 3 to 5 times a week. And I play at Bobby Riggs, Poinsettia, Park, and other courts in the area.
That's so good. Well, thank you for sharing your story. Anybody out there, if you're having trouble, if you're having pain or any limitations, both on or off the court, please give us a call, contact us. We would love to sit down with you, have a conversation, see if there's any way that we can help.